We are a society on the go. Whether it's brought on by exercising, working, or simply keeping pace with our hectic lives, millions of us live every day with some type of acute and chronic pain. For years, surgery was thought to be the primary answer for the treatment of persistent pain. But now, innovative breakthrough therapies are opening up a whole new direction of treating and caring for injuries. This is prolotherapy, a safe, effective, and affordable treatment that has been shown to be clinically effective in restoring range of motion and relieving joint and back pain.
Prolotherapy is used for the treatment of chronic musculoskeletal pain. It's been around for a long time. Prolotherapy's been utilized since the 1930s, but it's just been poorly recognized. The way it works is that you inject a substance into the damaged ligaments or tendons or into the joint, and it causes an inflammatory response to the body. The body in turn sends a healing cascade to that area. What we've learned over the years is that we can inject a more deliberate substance into that area that will help promote the healing factors that are necessary to heal that damaged area.
Because platelet-rich prolotherapy and stem cell prolotherapy are safe and effective and can restore an excellent quality of life, Dr. Simakoski believes they should be considered as the first line of treatment for acute and chronic musculoskeletal pain. Using the patient's own biological tissue to initiate the regenerative process with excellent effectiveness, platelet-rich prolotherapy and stem cell prolotherapy can help patients suffering with persistent pain and instability in the major joints of the body, such as the knees, shoulders, low back, hips, and elbows, which often result from specific injuries, chronic sprains and strains, overuse injuries, and osteoarthritis.
The platelets are what the body uses to first attack or first recruited to heal an injured area. The platelets help to revascularize the area, it helps with the bleeding, it helps with the healing response. And what we do is we take the patient's own platelets from their blood and inject that into the area specifically, and then we're getting a higher concentration of the best parts of the blood that we need to heal that damaged area. Now we can also add to that damaged area when we're injecting a substance to create that healing cascade. We can actually put into that area adult stem cells that are harvested from your own body. These stem cells differentiate into damaged tissues such as cartilage, ligaments, tendons, muscle, and all of this together promotes the healing response that we're after.
I injured my shoulder playing ball about 12, 13 years ago and was able to manage it with cortisone injections or oral medications or massages, and I just was looking for something that would give me a better alternative that wasn't surgery, since I didn't really need that.
Prolotherapy is an excellent alternative to other traditional methods that have been utilized to treat chronic pain disorders. Knee replacements, for example, are highly expensive, $40,000 on average cost in America, associated with prolonged downtimes, high complication rates, and it's a painful procedure. With prolotherapy, we're doing the procedure, it's a painless procedure, and at the end of it, 30 minutes later, you're walking out of the office and you're able to resume your normal activities at a fraction of the cost.
I noticed a difference right away where in the morning when I was waking up before, my hands would be numb and it would be tingling, and immediately that went away, and within a couple weeks I had full range of it. Right now it's feeling stronger than before, and it's not popping like it was as much before, and it feels really good.
I'm a toxicologist, so my background is specifically looking at different substances that may enter the body and whether they are effective, whether they work, what the science is behind how they work, and most importantly that they don't cause any adverse effects to the body. And stem cell prolotherapy and the platelet-rich plasma prolotherapy that we offer certainly is safe and effective, with very good science backed up by literature in peer-reviewed publications.
It's time for you to get back to living pain-free. Learn more about stem cell joint regeneration offered by Utah Stem Cells Joint Treatment at Intermountain Health and Wellness. Get a free consultation. Call today or visit utahstemcelltherapy.com.